Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I am Aisa Grace Subia Tamana, 38 years old, married, and have three kids. Ages are 12 years old, 9 years old, and 8 years old. I am living in Fortune West, Aurora, Alicia, Isabela. I have one sister and one brother. I am the second child of the family. I am a college graduate. I took Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Human Resource Management.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
Yes, sir. I worked in Hong Kong in almost 5 years. My first employer living in Ho Man Tin. My main duties are taking care of elderly couple, ages 80 years old and 78 years old. I do also a household chores like cleaning, cooking, laundry, marketing, gardening, and car washing. My second employer living in Chunwan. My main duties are taking care of a newborn baby and a 4 years old kids. I do also a household chores like cleaning, cooking, laundry, and marketing.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I always check the temperature of the baby and give the medicines. Because if you're taking care of the baby or your kids, you need to secure first the safetyness of them.
Okay. And then?
And then I tell to my employer that the baby or the kids are sick.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am a fast learner, hardworking, patient, and cheerful.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
Yes, sir. I have a surgery, cesarean section 8 years ago when I gave birth to my kids.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
None, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I wanted to work abroad because I want to earn and save money for the better future of my kids, sir.
If you get hard, who will take care of your children?
My parents, sir.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will focus to my work and tell to myself that I need this job for the better future of my kids, sir.
What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep at 10 p.m. when my work is done and I wake up 5 a.m. in the mornings.
Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I always more patience and calmer when dealing with them.
Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir. And I'm willing to extend my contract if needed.
Can you cook Chinese food?
Yes, sir. I cook a simple Chinese food like steamed fish with tausi, steamed chicken with honey flavor, steamed tofu with minced pork, steamed shrimp with pansi, boiling long soup, and other more. But I am willing to learn more about cooking Chinese food.
Okay. Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. I have two hands, the left and the right. Hold them up high, so clean and bright. Clap and softly, 1, 2, 3. Clean little hands are good to see.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, I hope to choose me as a helper in your house. I promise to be the one of the most kind, hardworking, patient, helper in your house. I will do my best to do my task. I promise to follow your instructions, regulations, and decisions in your house. And I will serve your family with all my heart and best. Thank you.